Hi there, Painting Hyun here. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to paint a cool beach and the people walking with their dog. When I'm looking at the horizon and ocean, definitely I feel better and at peace. However, I don't usually paint a lot of seascapes. Therefore, I will try to paint seascape and cool crowds more often. You may look forward to my painting. Okay? Okay, next sketch with 2H pencil on the arch cord pressed 140 watercolor paper. Okay, shall we start? With this paper, I'm going to draw two horizontal lines on the paper, dividing the paper into thirds. One space for sky, one area for ocean and sand. We are using 1/3 composition because it will be the most stable composition. If I have the chance, I will tell you about the golden section, okay? I'm going to draw two people walking with a cute dog on the beach. Just a rough sketch for me to understand, okay? Let's move on to color. Wetting the paper fully with a flat 1-inch background brush. We will use the wet on wet technique. So the first color will be a very light bluish color. Apply on the sky. Taking a sort of dark blue, adding it to the sky as the second layer. This is the second layer on the sky area. Then I mix a little bit of yellow and orange, adding it to the lower sky area and upper the horizon part. This will give us a kind of sunset color, right? Yellow makes orange color. Brush strong move just back and forth, draw horizontal lines. And then I'm mixing some cobalt blue, a little bit of black, and Prussian blue. I'm drawing some. I'm drawing something here. That is far in the distance, some land or yeah. With the watery mixture of color, move on to the ocean. Apply some water on the ocean section. Add the mixture of ultramarine deep, cobalt blue, and viridian for the first layer. Draw smoothly horizontal lines back and forth. One thing, leave a tiny space between horizon and ocean section. Add some ultramarine deep into the already mixed bluish color. This paper still holds a lot of water, so I try a second layer on the ocean before the paper dries. Taking some sunset colors, put on the ocean area, reflected area. Put on the reflected area with the sunset color, yellow and mixed orange. Take some dark bluish color, put on the foreground area. There is some rocks and some lines. When you draw ocean and some rocks, there are a little bit bigger or smaller, go for it. It's like don't worry about it looking exactly like a reference photo or reference scene. I want you to be free and create expression with your painting and think of it think of it as an impression of seascape. I use wet on dry technique. I didn't use much water. This is burnt sienna color, so I draw some rocks. This is burnt sienna. Um, Put on the small rocks area, and I will go ahead and add a bit more pigment. This is a dark bluish color. Next, I want to draw two people with cute dog. Taking a sort of black and draw first hair and next draw clothes. This is a man and with a beautiful woman here. Take a red color, put on the woman's clothes. Cute dog here. Draw shadow a little bit longer to them. And just in the center, give it a little depth of color. I mixed ultramarine deep, a viridian, and a bit of black. I'm going to bring it in here so we can add a little bit of intense and strong color. Draw waves smooth. And finally, I'm going to draw some wave and in detail. And then I'm going to use a white color for some waves area and add some highlight in waves. We add in any last minute final details, taking a little bit of bluish color, put on here and there. Make a nature looking, finishing touches to create more harmony, to create balance. Please don't just use the colors what you see, okay? I hope this tutorial helps you paint beach scenes. Practicing is the best thing that you can do, okay? Watch this video a few times. Go ahead and give it a try. Just have some fun and enjoy it. Please no stress and don't worry about draw perfect and color perfect. Please just go for it. You will make better painting step by step, okay? I hope you like this video. Please remember to subscribe and click the like button and turn on the notification. I will see you again next Saturday. Bye.